Alright, let's talk about money. More specifically, let's talk about why an app that's supposed to help you grow your money wants to see your ID. It's a legit question, right? I mean, we're trusting Acorns with our hard-earned cash, but it's asking for personal info. So, let's break this down. First off, let's be clear, sharing personal information always feels a bit icky. It's like handing over your keys to a stranger. But here's the thing, in today's digital world, it's kind of unavoidable. Almost every service we use online requires some form of verification. It's the price we pay for convenience. So, why does Acorns, specifically, need your ID? The short answer is security and compliance. Let's start with security. Look, your money is important. It's the fruit of your labor, your sweat equity. And Acorns knows that. They want to make sure that your money is safe and secure. By verifying your identity, they're putting a barrier between your hard-earned cash and potential scammers. It's like installing a security system for your digital wallet. Now, let's talk compliance. Acorns isn't just some random app. It's a financial institution. And as such, it's subject to a bunch of rules and regulations. These rules are in place to protect you, the investor. One of those rules is the requirement to verify the identity of its customers. It's like a financial license. You wouldn't let just anyone open a bank account, right? Same goes for investment apps. But it's not just about security and compliance. There's also the matter of taxes. Yes, taxes. Fun, right? When you invest, you're potentially making money. And when you make money, Uncle Sam wants his cut. Acorns needs your information to report your investment earnings to the IRS. It's just how the system works. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I get it, but what kind of ID do they need? Do they want a copy of my passport? Well, it depends on the app and the level of verification they require. Some apps might ask for a driver's license, while others might be satisfied with a selfie. The key is to make sure the information you're sharing is accurate and up-to-date. But here's the deal, while sharing personal information is necessary, it's also important to be mindful of your privacy. Always read the terms and conditions of any app before signing up. Understand what information they're collecting, how they're using it, and how they're protecting it. And if something feels off, trust your gut. There are plenty of other investment apps out there. Don't be afraid to shop around. So, to wrap it up, Acorns needs your ID for a few reasons: security, compliance, and taxes. It's not ideal, but it's the price we pay for the convenience of digital investing. Just make sure you're being smart about sharing your personal information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.